So why does my detailer say he needs to clay bar my car? Well, in today's video, we're going to show you. Alright, so in today's episode, we're going to show why you should not always trust beading water to determine if your car A needs wax or B is truly clean. Got a clean white piece of clay here. I'm going to clay bar this trunk lid. See that orangish color on the clay now? It's fallout, which is iron particles, and it becomes rust. That's what's on your paint. Even when it's beading and looks like everything's good, it's not necessarily the case. So at this point you may be asking yourself, so what's it matter, right? You did a little bit of a clay over that small section of the trunk and it turned it a little bit yellow. Who cares? Well, think about this. The iron particles that are on your paint are microscopic. This car's paint, those microscopic iron particles were beginning to rust to the point where just rubbing a little piece of clay on a very small section, we can see the clay now covered in rust. Well, what does that mean to you though? Your car's paint has a clear coat of paint over the top surface. That iron particle is rusting down into that paint as well as up and off of that paint. Eventually, that rust can get so bad it can penetrate through that clear coat, causing it to fail prematurely. That would be bad. The main reason we like to clay bar cars to remove all that stuff that's in the way of the paint is when we then do the sealant that we apply, it will make your paint pop and sparkle like you've never seen it do before. Just getting that extra level of cleaning to the paint to prepare it for the wax / sealant that we apply, it just makes it a night and day difference. The slickness to the paint is amazing afterward. The shine, the pop of the sparkle in the paint, it just really makes all the difference in the world. Once you've seen a car and touched a car that's been clay barred and waxed, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. So if you haven't done it before or had it done before, definitely consider it. It's not just hype or a scam. It's actually something that makes a legitimate difference. As I'm doing the rest of this side of the car, I'm just trying to show you each section I do. I'm folding the clay over on itself and starting with a fresh piece. And then that piece that I'm showing you is how much contamination came off that piece of the car I just did. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Hope it makes sense. Hope if you have any questions, you'll feel free to ask them. Any comments. If there's a video of detailing that you can't find and you want to see that particular process done, feel free to leave it in the comments and I'll see if I can make a video of that. We do boats, RVs, and cars, both inside and out, and use all the latest tricks, tips, gadgets, tools, products, whatever. So anyway, have a great day and have fun detailing.